Today I'm going to show you how to make mince pies. I have done a mince pie recipe on the channel before, however this is an improved version. You will need 200 grams of plain flour, 130 grams of butter, 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of caster sugar, 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar, and a jar of mincemeat, which is approximately 411 grams. Firstly, in a bowl to your flour add your caster sugar and give it a mix. Then add your butter cubed in at room temperature and mix in with the tips of your fingertips until it resembles breadcrumbs. Then add 1 of the 2 eggs. Mix in well and bring together as a dough. If you find that it is slightly dry or it's not coming together as a dough, just add a little bit of water until it does. Then to a muffin tray, I have greased the holes and then laid a strip of baking paper across each hole, which will help you remove your mince pies later. Then flour a work surface and roll out your pastry, and you do want it quite thin. Then using a cookie cutter that is bigger than your holes, you want to cut out 12 circles of pastry, lining each of the holes, pushing out any air bubbles. Then fill each of the cases with the mincemeat. And re-roll out your pastry, cutting out the tops of your mince pies. I have used stars, so it makes a nice star shape on top. You can just use a circle cutter that fits to fully encase the pie, or you could do other shapes if you want. Then, having pre-beaten your remaining egg, you just want to egg wash around the top of each of the pies, and then attach the pie tops to the sides. So because I am using the stars, it has left holes in the top which allows the steam to escape. If you are using a circle and enclosing the pie, you will want to just poke a couple of holes in the top of each of the pie, just so then the steam can escape through the top. And then using the remaining beaten egg, you just want to egg wash the top of each pie. And then sprinkle over some of the granulated sugar over the top of each pie. And pop in a preheated oven at gas mark 6, 200 degrees centigrade or 180 fan assisted for 15 to 20 minutes or until the tops are golden. And there you have it. That's how you make mince pies.